So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to find the directory that you're looking for. So for me personally, I'm just going to go to this PC, C drive, and I'm sure that you guys already know about sorting by name, date modified, type, and size. But there's actually even more options you can do. So on the right hand side, in any blank space, you just want to right click, and then you want to click on Group By, and then click on More, and you have a bunch more options right here. So we have the 4 original ones already selected: name, date modified, type, and size, and we have a bunch more things. So you can search by client ID, file extension, program name, protected folders. There's just a bunch of things right here. Word count, total file size. So let's say that I wanted to search for a program name. I'll just tick it and then click on OK. And now it's going to appear right here. You can click on it. Obviously I have no programs right here, so it's not going to work. But if you did have programs, then it'll sort it by program name. And if you want to remove this, you just want to right click, and then you want to untick program name, or the one that you selected. And that's how you do it.